2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, fog lamps, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.